सो मेरे साथ है
जी सुजल त्रिपाठी। सुजल त्रिपाठी।
सुजल जी।
जी।
आपके लिए खुशी क्या चीज़ है? आप खुशी को किस तरीके से डिस्क्राइब करते हैं?
खुशी मेरे लिए है कि बिना किसी टेंशन के लाइफ हो, घर पे हो, सब लोग साथ हों, और बस यही चाहिए और कुछ नहीं चाहिए। यही खुशी है मेरे लिए तो।
अच्छा।
जी।
और कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि आप सपने अपने अचीव कर लेते हो बट उसके बाद भी आप जो है कभी खुश नहीं रह पाते, तो उस मोमेंट पे आप क्या कर पाएंगे?
एक्चुअली में लाइफ ऐसा ही है कि हमको ना एक टारगेट चाहिए होता है हमेशा,
हम्म।
कि हम ये टारगेट अचीव कर लें, उसके बाद हमें ये मिलना चाहिए, हमें ये मिलना चाहिए।
हम्म।
तो इस तरह के हम कभी खुश नहीं रहने वाले, कभी भी नहीं खुश रहने वाले। ये हन कहते हैं ना कि संतोष ही सब कुछ होता है। तो एक्चुअली में होता नहीं है, बस कहने के लिए है। हमें कुछ मिल जाएगा ना, हम कुछ टारगेट कर रहेंगे, उसके बाद हम सोचेंगे कुछ और मिले हमें। तो वो चीज़ उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कभी खुश नहीं हो सकते हम, उस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से कभी खुशी नहीं मिलेगी। तो हमें एक ठीक है, लाइफ है, मतलब हम समझ सकते हैं, लेकिन ये वहाँ जाके रोक भी नहीं सकते कि हमें करना ही रहना है, हम आगे ही बढ़ते रहेंगे। तो थोड़ा सा मुश्किल है वो कंट्रोल कर पाना। जो कर लिया फिर वो लाइफ जीत गया फिर तो।
अच्छा, आप अभी जॉब कर रहे हैं? आपका खुद का बिजनेस है?
नहीं नहीं, मैं जॉब कर रहा हूँ, मैं टीच करता हूँ, पढ़ाता हूँ।
और एग्जैक्टली आप क्या पढ़ाते हैं सर?
मैं केमिस्ट्री पढ़ाता हूँ जेई वालों को।
जेई वालों को?
हाँ।
वाओ। तो आप अपनी जॉब से खुश हैं?
फिर आपने आपने सेम ही क्वेश्चन घुमा फिरा के पूछा है,
नहीं
खुश
नहीं नहीं।
नहीं। जॉब से वैसे तो मेरे लिए खुशी जॉब नहीं देती है।
हाँ।
मैं आपको पहले ही बता दिया था मेरे लिए खुशी क्या चीज़ है।
हाँ।
तो ऐसे ही है, मतलब बस
अच्छा।
ऐसा नहीं लगता मेरे को मैं जॉब से खुश हूँ। जॉब मतलब एक तो जीने का एक जरिया है बस, और बाकी तो।
So yeah, bro, ultimate comfort. Hi, bro. What's your name?
नमन।
नमन। एंड आपको सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी क्या चीज़ देती है आपकी लाइफ में?
Having a good time with family, with my wife, and with my sisters and their kids.
Okay.
I think those little things give me happiness, if I have to be honest. Yeah.
So what are you working as?
What am I working at? I have a family business of fabric manufacturing.
Wow.
So we manufacture fabrics. And
And
like, lately, I realized that happiness is not into these materialistic things that we find. Be it about cars, like boys are always about cars, no? Happiness is not about those materialistic things that we think will give me happiness, will give us happiness. I mean.
okay, I already had one question, but I guess you are married, so I shouldn't be asking you this.
It's
But
okay.
just in case,
Yeah.
like you're hanging out all alone,
Yeah.
right? And if a girl approaches you,
Okay.
right, because you're like good guy, so how would you elaborate on this? Like, what would be the situation for you?
Like, what is the situation like? Am I married in this situation?
Yes, you are married in this
And if a
situation.
good
You
girl-
already in your life.
Yeah.
So that's why.
And if a good girl approaches me,
Yes.
I mean, if I would not want to get into anything with her, because of course, if I am happy in my marriage, I don't think I need to do that.
Definitely.
People do that when they're finding happiness, when they're looking for happiness, right? If you're already happy, you wouldn't be engaging into something like that. You're having a good married life, you're in a good relationship with your girlfriend, and there's some other girl approaching you, you wouldn't get into it, right?
And what
There's
kind
no
of
need.
what kind of advice would you like to give to the people out there, whether it be younger than you or older than you?
I mean, because I got married like 8.5 months ago, so I came to the realization of the fact that all my life I used to be running, after those materialistic things like cars, money, all of these things. I mean, they are necessary, but with time I realized the importance of family. So I would say that younger generation forget. They forget to give time to their family, and they forget the importance of their parents, their brothers, their sisters, and human relations. I think human relations. This is what I wanted to talk about happiness. Human relations give you happiness. It's never the money. It's never private jet or a business class ticket or anything. It's the moment. It's the moment with the people that you love.
I just wish you all the best and thank you for all your time.
I
It really
wish the
means a
same
lot.
for you too.
And I hope when this channel grows, I can put up something for you
I,
guys as well,
I
you know, in
wish
the
the
beginning.
best for your channel, bro. You're doing a good job.
Hopefully, I just began to.
Oh,
I do other
I
things
think
as
there's a
well.
long way to go, bro. All the best for you.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much for your
Alright.
time. I really
Take care, bro.
appreciate that.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too.
So what's up? We are back again. Appreciate your life, appreciate your efforts, hard work, and at the same time, appreciate people also who are giving you this time and space. To, you know what I mean? लड़की हंसती रहती है.
Say my heart, I just talk like all of it. Don't tequila shot, and just do that.
भाई अंकल को क्या हो गया? सामने वाले ऐसे देख रहे हैं जैसे गे है. दुनिया अलग चल रही है भाई आजकल.
सिर्फ तेरे जुदाई का डर है मांगी दे मोहब्बत सचिया में.
So I'm here with
Rakesh.
Rakesh. Hi. How old are you, bro?
I'm 29.
29.
Yeah.
आपके लिए खुशी क्या है?
Happiness is like all about like work. You can travel and explore the world, kind of thing. Yeah.
Okay.
Exploring the whole world. That mean to me. It depends on people to people, right?
What are you working as?
Right now I'm an entrepreneur. I was working with a blockchain developer, then transferred for a product manager, and now working my own startup. Yeah. It's like a tech kind of thing. So you understand tech, right?
A little bit. I'm not into that much.
Okay. It's like an engineering thing, like computer science.
Yeah.
So how old are you? Yeah.
Guess how old I am.
23, 24.
The job that you're doing right now.
I'm not doing job. I'm doing my
Oh,
own work.
sorry.
Yeah, I'm entrepreneur.
Then you're already into it, so you are already happy with your work.
Yeah, that's why I'm into it. Right?
What kind of advice you would like to give to the people who are starting or who are beginning with their entrepreneurship?
Like they will just know your product, what they're building, and just have a great connections to raise some fund if they want to raise the fund. And if
Okay.
they're having own capital, they can start with the capital. There is, I think, so little bit need a capital to start a good business, like ID business.
What would be your suggestion if nobody has a capital to start a
So you
like,
should go
business?
Yeah, okay. You should go to like Y Combinator. There's a site called Y Combinator, and you will find lots of free resources over there. And Gary Tan is the CEO. He's helping a lot for the newcomers in the like startup kind of thing, and they're just giving like 100K US dollar for starting the company.
100K US dollar.
Yeah, it's somewhere around 1.2 crores.
So which company is it? Is it government or is it like Bahar?
It's a US incubators Y Combinator.
So I guess like Indian government has already launched couple of things where you can start your own business and they also give you the fund for it.
But this is like it's okay. That is like a non-diluted fund. Like they will not take like any percentage of your company or something like that.
Okay.
So that is only for like you can accelerate your company and build something whatever you want to build.
And any kind of advice or any kind of suggestion you would like to give to the youth?
Enjoy your life. Whatever you have, you can enjoy your life. Like no, what will happen tomorrow?
Okay. And last question: what is your vacation destination?
I love to go like sometime Bali, and there's a place in Canggu. Like everyone should visit there and enjoy the life. Like there's a beach place and party. I love party. That's why it's like a party place. Yeah.
Okay. And one more thing, like with party, what is the best country you have come across till now that you have discovered?
I explored like Indonesia. So sometime I love Indonesia and US also. So I prefer like a Bali is a good chill place if you like to have a like good party, alcohol and that kind
How many countries you have visited?
of. Right now 7 countries.
For our viewers, would you like to share your Instagram? Is it okay?
Yeah. What the is it's very simple. WH18
Uh-huh.
WH18HERAKS. My name is Rakesh and we're starting.
Cool, sir. It's lovely talking to you, sir. I hope you grow and you know. No. I mean, like
Okay.
it's a generous thing.
Okay.
But I really appreciate you and for your time and getting into this video. It's good, but I need to be more like up with my vocal, I guess. What is that one thing that gives you the most happiness in life?
Nothing
Nothing.
right now.
Wow. And how come that?
Little things of life. When I achieve success,
So you haven't achieved it yet.
I am 17.
You're 17. You don't
Yeah.
look like that.
Many people say that.
Yeah, but what
I've
is-
just turned 17.
And how would you define success during your life? If you have
Physical, mental, and financial freedom.
Okay.
When I don't have to worry about anything.
The kind of work you're doing in your life, your family also supports you.
Yeah. Both of my parents are professors.
Oh, professor. And what are you doing?
Just completed 12th.
Cool, bro. I hope you have a great time. Good luck.